In this video we will learn about basic layout of Excel for beginners. To open Excel, go to Start. Type Excel and click on Excel to open it. You will see this screen when you will open Excel. On this screen you can see list of files that were recently opened. You can click on file's name if you want to view any of these. We will click on blank workbook to open new spreadsheet. You will see same type of layout when you will open new spreadsheet on any version of Excel. In Excel, verticals is called column. When you will click here, entire column gets selected. It is indicated by alphabets: column A, column B, column C, column F and so on. And horizontals called row. When you will click here, entire row gets selected. It is indicated by numbers: row 1, row 2, row 3, row 12 and so on. Column and row combine to make cells. This cell is named B4. This cell is J2. You can see this name of selected cell here. When we want to indicate more than one cell selected, it is called range. Suppose we want to mention this range of cells, it will be B2, F10. In Excel you can find tabbed menu for tools and settings. When you will open Excel you will be at Home tab. This is Insert tab, Formulas tab and View tab. Each tab is further divided into ribbon. Similar tools and settings are separated in groups in ribbons with these lines known as separator. You can see this arrow below some separators. It indicates there are more options or settings related to this group you can access by clicking on it. This is selected cells name indicator. This is formula bar, which is very helpful. We will learn more about it in upcoming videos. Below here is sheet number. This indicates current spreadsheet's sheet number. Click on this plus sign to add more spreadsheet. This is sheet number 2. This is sheet number 3. Combination of these sheets are known as workbook. Each sheet contains more than 17 billion cells if you are using Excel 2007 or newer. On top right you can find quick access bar with useful shortcuts like save, undo, redo, and you can add more using this arrow. This is scroll bar you can use to scroll vertically. And using this scroll bar you can scroll horizontally. Below here you can find layout options. By default you will be viewing in normal view. To understand layout, let's open a file with data. You can select second one, page layout view, to view each page in way that will be printed when you will print using printer. Third one is page break view. In simple, this will remove grid lines from cells where your data ends. This is zoom button. Using this you can zoom cells depending upon your need. This will just zoom in or zoom out and will not modify any data. So this was about basic layout of Microsoft Excel. For more videos, subscribe.